What's up guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do the quickest Dalgona coffee at home. And it's very simple. I'll show you guys the step by step and how to do it. And as you can see the starting video, you can see how beautiful the Dalgona coffee is, right? Okay, for those of you who's wondering why I did not upload any videos for the past few months, I'm very sorry because I've been very busy with my nursing job and also because of the COVID situation that is happening in Singapore. But forget about it. Today video is about Dalgona coffee and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it perfectly. Alright, let's do it. First, you need Nescafe. This is Nescafe Classic. You can either choose Nescafe Classic or Nescafe Gold. Since Nescafe Classic is cheaper, I got the Nescafe Classic. Then, your fresh milk. Make sure it's fresh. Then, you need your sugar. Secondly, you need a cup and a stirrer, a whisk. Alright? Then, you need a glass and a spoon to put your coffee. Then, your warm water. Last but not the least, ice. Ice, baby. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna start doing the Dalgona coffee. So first, I need to scoop up 1 tablespoon of Nescafe coffee. Some of you guys like to use the Nescafe Gold. It's up to you. Up to your preference. And then you put one tablespoon of sugar. Okay guys, those of you who's like wondering whether to put more sugar, is up to you. And I've been doing my research for like a couple of days and I think this is the perfect recipe. 1:1:1 and the other one is the water. This is the warm water. So just 1 tablespoon. Put it inside. Maybe not. Maybe another tablespoon of water. It looks like a bit too little. Okay, those of you guys like wondering what's the water temperature. If you put your finger inside the water and your fingers start to scream, that's the right temperature. Alright. Okay, I'm done with this. And now it's time to get to work. This is it. So let's do it. So this will take a while. Oh my god, it's moving. Everything is moving. Okay. Basically, you need it's a bit too noisy. Basically, you need to the coffee to be oxygenized with the sugar inside the cup, and it will start to foam up. So it might take a while. Some of you guys have watched some other videos which they use a big bowl to whisk. Basically, that will take forever. One thing, and your arms will be spoiled after 10 minutes. So with this technique of swirling around with the whisk, will roughly take about only less than 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna speed it up. Oh, guys, the smell is so good. Okay guys, it starts to foam up. See how fast? It's like less than 1 minute. It's already foaming up. Let me show you guys. Saw it? Start to foam up in less than 1 minute. Okay, let me continue. Oh my god, it's so exciting. So noisy but exciting. It starts to foam up, you see? See it? I think just a little bit more. Let me show you guys. See guys, the foam started to foam after like 2 minutes. I think you need another couple of minutes and then it's done. Okay, let me swirl. Okay, it needs another 2 more minutes. So excited because the smell is damn strong and it's so delicious. Okay, you guys can see it. See? It starts to foam up. You guys can see it? It starts to foam up. Okay, you guys cannot see. I'll show you. See? Oh my god, it's gonna drop. See guys? It's foam up so nicely. Is done. We'll give a taste test. No, I'm just kidding. I think maybe need a little bit more sugar. That's about it. It's fine. I'm just overreacting. Okay, next. A clear glass. If you choose to take pictures with it, all these days, blocking my way. And then you put some ice inside. Okay, you make the next. Doesn't matter. So the ice cubes inside. Pour away the water. Okay, so just let the ice cube. You take your milk. Those of you might ask you whether you want to use the what do you call it, the low fat milk. It's up to you. If you think that low fat milk works for you, go for it. But my suggestion, use the fresh milk because it tastes nicer. Oh, by the way, some of you guys might prefer to add some sugar water inside to make it more sweeter because of your coffee that you make might not be sweet like mine. But yep, I'm okay with that. Okay, so you pour in the milk. So nice. For the milk. And then get this away. And then you pour there. Let me give you a closer view. Done. I got a lot inside. I'm just gonna put it more. Okay guys, now it's the taste test. Here's the coffee. Whoa, the foam. Awesome. Okay, let's do it. Let me taste it with the milk. It's nice, but I think need a bit more sugar. Let me try everything. It's damn good, especially with the milk. So shiok. Okay guys, that's all for my videos. So check me out. Delicious. So check out my next video. I might be doing something else because of this COVID-19. So I might be doing something at home. Basically doing some more experiment. So check me out, and don't forget, those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and follow my channel so that you can view my videos whenever I upload. Alright guys, so till then, see you guys on my next video. Bye.